Bitcoin heads for worse week in months as Mt. Gox payouts loom. Bitcoin fell to a one-month low on Friday and was headed for its worst week in 6 months as traders have booked profits from a long rally and been spooked by an expectation that creditors of collapsed crypto exchange Mt. Gox might liquidate their payments. Plan B, in a tweet yesterday, speculated that the current Bitcoin crash might be related to the MTGX payouts expected to happen soon. In the tweet, he said, "Fear is back, seems Mt. Gox related." The largest cryptocurrency by market value, Bitcoin was down 1.6% at $55,980 by mid-session in Asia, its lowest since mid-October and 20% below last week's record high. Selling pressure has been quite constant, said Matthew Dibb, Chief Operating Officer at Singapore-based crypto asset manager Stack Funds, who expects it could continue until the token finds support at around $53,000. For the week, Bitcoin has fallen 14% and through its 50-day moving average. It has gained more than 90% this year. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, was steady near a 3-week low at $4,014 on Friday, but set for a 14% weekly loss. Both Ether and Bitcoin also seem to have suffered as the mood in global markets has been cautious over recent days amid concerns about economic growth, interest rates, and inflation. Dibb said there was profit-taking and concern about more selling in the wake of a Tokyo court signing off on plans to repay creditors of Mt. Gox, a crypto exchange which collapsed in 2014. After losing $500 million in Bitcoin. Those affected will receive a large sum of Bitcoin, likely happening in Q1 or Q2 of 2022. This has brought some fear into the market on a longer-term horizon, he said, on the expectation that those creditors are likely sellers. Welcome back to Savvy Finance. Thank you for watching our videos as we strive to bring you quality crypto and finance videos to keep you updated with what is happening in the crypto world. Mt. Gox was a Bitcoin exchange based in Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. Launched in July 2010 by 2013 and into 2014, it was handling over 70% of all Bitcoin transactions worldwide as the largest Bitcoin intermediary and the world's leading Bitcoin exchange. Mt. Gox was once the world's biggest Bitcoin exchange until it closed in early 2014 after losing the coins of thousands of customers. Some of the holdings have subsequently been found. Any payout is expected to be a fraction of the original amounts held by creditors after taking into account the lost coins. Creditors can elect to receive about 90% of the assets owed to them under the proposal that was ratified by a majority, according to the English-language version of the announcement dated Oct. 20. The plan was sent to Tokyo District Court, which made a confirmation order on the proposal. The trustee didn't say Wednesday when the distributions would be made. The trustee held a trove of 141,686 Bitcoins, as well as cash and Bitcoin Cash coins as of September 2019, according to prior documents. Tokyo-based Mt. Gox suspended all trading and went offline in February 2014 after losing about 850,000 Bitcoin valued at around $500 million at the time. The plan to compensate creditors of the collapsed crypto exchange Mt. Gox has been approved, and payments of about $9 billion are set to go out soon. While it's still unclear if payouts will be in cryptocurrency or fiat currency, some industry watchers see creditors getting Bitcoin in a matter of months. Those affected will receive a large sum of Bitcoin, likely happening in Q1 or Q2 of 2022, Matthew Dibb, Chief Operating Officer of crypto firm Stack Funds, told Reuters. The settlement plan, which had been filed in Tokyo District Court in February, is now final and binding, according to an announcement earlier this week from Mt. Gox trustee Nobuaki Kobayashi. With the plan's finalization, the process to compensate those involved in the now-defunct exchange, whose losses are estimated to be worth billions of dollars, is expected to begin promptly. Creditors have been asked to register their bank account information on a specified website to receive payment. Mt. Gox at one time was the largest Bitcoin exchange in the world, but then about 850,000 Bitcoin were lost in a hack, and the firm collapsed in 2014. Since then, the impacted investors have been fighting legal battles to recover their funds. A 2018 petition sought compensation for creditors, and last month, roughly 99% of the creditors approved a draft rehabilitation plan. Bitcoin's long-term outlook remains bullish, said OMBA analyst Edward Moya, but the waters over the next few months will be rough as institutional investors look to see if the Fed will be forced to raise rates sooner and trigger a broad-based sell-off of risky assets that include Bitcoin. How long do you think this dip will last? Let us know in the comments. For us at Savvy Finance, this is an opportunity to buy more Bitcoin and other crypto to increase our stack. Till our next video, stay savvy and keep hodling.